Maybe the cop is somewhere in the front, man. Maybe the cop is in the front checking the speeding.
Yeah, maybe. Possibly. It's just too nice.
You're being cautious now.
Loving you
These streets are shit. That music, can't go wrong.
So where are we, man?
Gas station, you need a map.
What do you need? Map?
Saturday morning. We are in Taros Ahead, I think. I just woke up. Lennart is still sleeping. And I really didn't realize we're in such a nice place. Quick interview. What did you see in your dreams? Nothing? Yeah, man, it's beautiful here. People are coming in with the boats, man.
So now we stayed the night in Taros Ahead. Taros Head. Yeah. And, it was a good sleep. We arrived yesterday, but we didn't realize we are in such a beautiful place. When you drive at night, you don't see much. And look at that. Can you call that a lake? Is that a lake?
It is a lake, huh?
Damn.
Where's the spider?
Your hands are shaking, man. You didn't drink anything last night.
I haven't smoked yet.
Oh, that's the one, man.
You reckon they will be working today? Or?
Oh, they could be. Yeah. Yep.
Right.
So straight over the reef.
Yeah.
There's a tyre place on the right. I think there's a house, a couple of houses in the tyre place. And down the side of there is the auto electricians.
Alright.
So go
Thanks
and
a
give
lot.
them a try.
Alright, thank you.
So, what's going on? Can you describe it quickly? What's going on with our car?
I don't know. I hope it's the fuse that we can switch back to petrol again.
Oh, so yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We might be traveling on, but
Are you going there?
sorry?
You keep going, are you?
Yeah, we are. But if it happens straight away, we'll come back. Thanks a lot, man.
So what's the story?
It was the fuse, and now we got a couple. So next time it happens, I know where to switch it and put it.
Nice, man.
Nice.
Malua Bay. We just fixed our car. It was just a fuse.
The luck streak is on, man.
Oh man, look at that.
Oh, We're right in the bay. There will be no surf here. We have to go somewhere else.
Ah, we go even further.
I think I have to turn around. We're going the wrong way.
Yeah, and go further.
But it's quite some way. You see, it's bay after bay. The people here are very, very friendly, man.
Yeah. Everywhere, man.
Everywhere.
Every stop
they give
we made.
everything for free. They don't mind if you don't have the cash right. They say that's fine, man. Just you're traveling on, are you?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Very nice.
That's how it should be, man. That what makes people come back here, man. Yeah, nice people.
Look, kangaroo there.
Huh?
A wild kangaroo.
Where?
There.
Go back, man, please. Oh, there is, yeah, man.
That's a nice picture. You want to take a picture of that?
Yeah. This is so random. Kangaroo in the wild. Nice.
Oh, you can't count them.
No food there. So what do you think, man, about kangaroos? Don't. Get away from me.
Can't hold still.
Nothing there. It's not eatable.
보이나? 이거 어떻게 봐야 돼? 이렇게?
Me and the rules.
아, 이렇게 해서 찍는 거? 이거 여기. 저런 해야 그걸.
Stay there, stay there. Oh, no, beautiful.
Yeah, it's working, man. Some Asian guys there. We're gonna have some company.
So we'll have some breakfast down there.
Yeah, man. Go.
Okay.
the one my head is going.
No more. Doggy.
Hey, my steak is cooking.
Nice to go.
Okay. It's a nice drive.
Yeah, very nice beaches on the way.
Did you go around or did you go straight to your
went to Mount Beauty near Melbourne.
Okay. So
The mountains
Yeah,
and then
like that.
back to the sea.
Victoria High Country. We went there first.
wow, that's cool. That's very beautiful.
We saw snow. Yeah. Made a snowball and everything.
Okay, let's get the plates going.
This is a good place to camp at.
Oh, bacon. Sausages.